Let's take a look at the Battle-Born 200W 12V portable solar panel. This is a portable, foldable solar solution designed for situations where you want solar power without permanently mounting panels to a roof. It's ideal for RV camping, off-grid setups, boats, and mobile power systems where flexibility, easy setup, and portability matter just as much as power output. One of the biggest advantages of this panel is portability. It uses a 4-panel folding design, which allows it to pack down into a compact, easy-to-carry form when not in use. When folded, it's roughly 2 feet by 2 feet and just a few inches thick, making it easy to store in an RV compartment, vehicle, or gear bay. When unfolded, it stretches out to nearly 7.5 feet long, giving you the full 200 watts of solar collection surface. You'll also notice the integrated support legs on the back. These legs let you angle the panel toward the sun, which helps improve real-world energy production compared to laying it flat on the ground. It also keeps the panel more stable on uneven terrain at camp. At just under 20 pounds, it's lightweight enough to move around camp and reposition throughout the day. There's no drilling, no roof mounting, and no permanent installation required. You simply unfold the panel, place it where it gets good sun exposure, connect it to your system, and start charging. Despite being portable, this panel does not compromise on performance. It uses high-efficiency monocrystalline solar cells, helping maximize energy production from a compact, foldable design. At full output, the panel delivers 200 watts of power, providing consistent charging for 12-volt battery systems commonly used in RVs, boats, and off-grid applications. This portable panel also comes with an included adapter cable. On the panel side, the cable uses standard MC4 male and female connectors, which are the industry standard output for solar panels. On the system side, the cable breaks out into multiple connector types, allowing compatibility with a wide range of charge controllers and portable power systems. Anderson-style connector, XT60 connector, DC5521 barrel connector, and a DC7909 barrel connector. This multi-connector design gives you flexibility when integrating the panel into different 12-volt solar setups without needing additional adapters. As always, it's important to confirm connector compatibility with your charge controller or power station before connecting. The 200-watt portable solar panel is built for real-world outdoor use. It uses a durable, fabric-backed, and PCB-supported design, balancing flexibility with durability. The panel's designed to operate reliably across a wide range of temperatures, making it suitable for camping, marine environments, and off-grid use across different seasons. The Battle-Born 200-watt 12-volt portable solar panel delivers real solar power in a flexible, easy-to-use package. For mobile and off-grid systems that need portability, fast setup, and dependable performance, it's a straightforward way to add solar charging wherever you need it.